A food delivery service app claims that the distribution of the days of the week that a sample of 500 people order food should be distributed as they are in the third row. A research group randomly selects 500 people and records which day of the week they order food. The actual observed results are listed in the second row. At alpha equal to 0.01, test the food delivery service app's claim. So the claim is that the observed equals the expected, and that's the null hypothesis. So the alternative hypothesis is that they are different. Alpha is 0.01. There are 7 categories, meaning the 7 days of the week, so the degrees of freedom are 7 minus 1, or 6. I'm going to enter the observed list into list 1, and the expected list into list 2, and then select the chi-squared goodness of fit test. So the observed is list 1, the expected is list 2, we have 6 degrees of freedom, and now we can press calculate. So chi-square is 17.60, and the p-value is 0.0073. So the picture looks like this, and the p-value is less than alpha. So we reject the null hypothesis. And the conclusion would be, at the 0.01 level of significance, there is enough evidence to reject the claim that the observed distribution and the expected distribution are the same.